See, this is the rear axle assembly. So the housing is there. This is the housing of the rear axle assembly. Then this is the differential unit. So here number of components are there. So this is the rack and pinion type. This is a pinion. This pinion is engaged with the rack. The pinion is this is the pinion. This pinion is engaged with the rack. Okay. So this is the crown. This is called as a crown of the gear. Differential unit it is engaged like that only. Okay, it is the taper roller bearing. So what are the things are we have a servicing on the rear axle? It's very important things. So here what I means, this is a taper roller bearing. If it is seeking means it is a van out part. Okay, so what I means, you must change the taper roller bearing, so it is van out, so you change the bearing. Then crown, it is a crown of the differential unit. If have lot of teeth, the teeth are worn out. Okay, see, these teeth are worn out, so you must change the crown also. Then what means, here one cage pins are coming. These pins are connected sun gear and planet gears. So here how to rectify this one? This is planet gear. This is the sun gear. There are two sun gears, two sun planet gear and two sun gears are coming. Right? See, this is the sun gear. So these sun gears, there are two sun gears are coming. This sun gear is engaged with the rear axle assembly. This is the rear axle half axle. This is called as a half axle. The half axle splines. Okay, this splines is engaged with the sun gear. So like that it will engage. Okay, it will come to engage at like that only. Okay, so what means, any that means shipping, that means the splines are not properly engaged with the half axle, you must change the sun gear. The planet gears and sun gears are engaged like that only. The both things are engaged like that only. If you have any problems, okay, any teeth are worn out means this is also you must change. Okay, then the crown, the pinions are come to like that only. So the pinion is connected with the propeller shaft. So whenever it will have some shake occur means you must change the bearing. Here also have some bearing and oil seals are there. So this is also you must check. If have any problem means you must change this one also. Okay, then same like this is also tapered roller bearing of the differential unit. This is coming at this area. Okay, this area it is located at here itself only. So if you have any problem occur in the tapered roller, you must change because of already the tapered roller bearings are worn out, because of there is no tapered rollers is there. Already the tapered rollers are fell down. So you must change the tapered roller bearing. Then it is a half of the housing. Here one bearing is coming. This bearing is this is the bearing. This bearing is attached with the half of steel. How it will come means it will come like that only. So see, like that it will come. So it will fixed at the rear axle housing. Whenever the bearing will run out, so if the bearing will run out means you must change the bearing. If you have any shake occur at the bearing means you must change the bearing. Okay, it will be properly lubricated, then only it will comes to give a long life. And same like here also the differential housing, you must fill the lubricant oil is there. So whenever the oils are go to reduce the viscosity of the oil, you must change the oil every 40,000. Every 40,000 you must change the gear oil, differential oil. So 40,000 to 60,000. So you must change the oil. In between you must check the oil level also. How to remove the oil and how to fill the oil means, here one drain plugs are coming. Wait, I will come to that side. See, here the plug is there. You remove the plug. Okay, so you remove the plug, and after that you are pour the oil at here itself only. Whenever it will fill means you are close the cap. Okay, this is the level maintaining. Always your level, you maintain the level of the oil. And also if have reduced the viscosity, you check the oil of viscosity and then you change the oil. Okay, so this is the servicing method of the differential unit and rear axle assembly. There are two experiments are there. One is the how to service the differential unit, how to service the rear axle assembly. So these are the very, very important things. I will tell step by step. Again I will step 1 2 3 4 like that one come. First you remove the axle from the vehicle, then you check the bearings, half axle bearing, and then pinion bearing, and then the crown bearing. Okay, so there are taper roller bearings are coming. The half axle means it will come some ball rolling bearing. Okay, ball roller. Okay, that means it's a ball rolling bearing. These bearings are must be checked. If have any shake means you must change. Then the sun gear and planet gears. Sun gears and planet gears are you must check properly, and then you must change the gears. If you have any burn out in the crown means you must change the crown also. If you have any chips form on the axle, okay, and the spines, you must change the half axle. Okay, but in here it is hardening one, it will not happen anything. But in here, in case if have any accident occur, any otherwise any heavy shock will occur on the vehicle, that time it will go damaged. Okay, you must change this one. And pinion also you must check properly. If you have any wear out on the pinion, you must change the pinion also. Okay, pinion teeth also. Here see the pinion teeth are worn out. Okay, so the pinion teeth are worn out. The white layers are forming, and this is also some pinion things are worn out. Okay, so you must change the pinion also. So these are the steps you followed, and you can check and change things. And also you must check the oil level of the differential unit, and you can check the viscosity of the oil. Every 60,000, 40,000 to 60,000 you must change the oil, differential oil also. And then you must lubricate the bearing also. The half axle bearing must be lubricated properly, then only it will give long life to vehicle. Okay, so these are the procedure followed in the differential unit and rear axle servicing methods. Thank you for watching the video.